Cough and cold season is upon us, and with 2 school-aged children and my own compromised immune system, we try our best to stay healthy around here. So everyone in our house takes daily vitamins and probiotics. Usually in the evenings, I will dose out the kids' vitamins into these little silicone cupcake liners and set them at the table, but tonight I'm just going to give it to them since they were waiting for them very impatiently. The kids each have a multivitamin, an immune system vitamin, and a chocolate bear probiotic. Another way that we prevent germs in our house during cough and cold season is with a humidifier, because studies have shown that flu germs survive and spread more easily in dry air conditions. Therefore, we boost our indoor humidity levels, making it less likely for flu germs to survive. The humidity levels between 45 and 50% can help curb the spread of germs. I really love this humidifier from Amazon. It has a large tank, so it's great for our open spaced living area on our main floor. I fill it up usually about once a day, and I run it on a medium or a high level throughout the afternoon and into the evening. It does have a lock so that you can lock the tank right onto the base. And it comes with a remote control, so that way when I'm across the room, if I want to change the humidity level or turn on the night light or switch it from cold air to warm air, I can do that without having to get up. But the touchscreen is also really nice and very user-friendly. You can set the humidity level to whatever you want. And last but not least, we make sure that the kids and ourselves wash our hands pretty frequently during cough and cold season. We make it fun for the kids by having seasonal scented holiday soaps in both the bathrooms and the kitchen. I prefer to use the foaming hand soaps because with 2 little kids, I feel like it's easier for them to rinse all the soap off versus using a gel-based soap.